Girl, spread and let your soul glow, baby. Soul glow. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Glenn, or Wigs to Wasteland. If you are new here, I do appreciate you tuning in. And with that being said, I am changing things up. I do want to try something different. So I'm incorporating product first impressions with these hair reviews. I hope to make this something that I do on a regular basis. I'm not gonna call it a series right now. You know, I'm just kind of testing the waters. It's just something that came to my head, and if it's received well, then you guys will definitely see more. So how do you let me know that it's received well? Well, I'm glad you asked. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe to the channel. Drop your girl a comment down below, and most importantly, ring the bell, get all post notifications so you can be notified of every single upload as you are. So I did pick up this lovely new hair care line. This is Pattern by Tracee Ellis Ross. This line is available at Ulta, and I'll be honest, first impressions, I almost passed this by. Your girl got a little sticker shock. Some of these items are pretty affordable, and then some of them do get to about $30. So right before I said maybe not right now, I did see this travel pack, which basically comes with, I think, might be the essentials, especially for curly hair. So off to the register we went. And of course, what is a product review without some hair to review it on? So our best friends, y'all best friends at HerGivenHair, they were kind enough to send me out a unit. And guess what? Yes, that face is the face you make when they send you not one, not two, but 3 units. Ring the bell, stay notified. This is their Feeling Myself Burmese Curly Unit in 18 inches with a medium cap. And baby, check out this color, y'all. Seriously. This is 100% virgin human hair, Swiss transparent lace with pre-bleached knots and an adjustable elastic band for a secure fit. This unit straight out of the pack, it's a little crunchy, okay? A little crunchy. But you could definitely like spritz this with a light leave-in conditioner and you would be set. You would be good, okay? So I think the curls already on here look really nice. I'm loving the color, and of course it does have a dark root to it. So I'm really interested to see what we get with this line by Tracee Ellis Ross. One thing that they always are so A1 on is their bleached knots. And baby, this is definitely giving me scalp-ish, okay? We're giving scalp-ish. Now I say that because lace is lace is lace, okay? It's never going to look 100% like scalp, but we can get close to it and keep them guessing, all right? I'm very interested to see HerGivenHair, Tracee Ellis Ross, Pattern. Do we have a match? Let's go. Sometimes you can wing it, and sometimes you got to do like the pros do. And I'm so glad that I now style, or at least do the hairline on a mannequin head. So if you have not picked one up yet, definitely check out my Amazon link in the description box down below, because baby, listen, it's a bad game changer.
Bad girl make you wine to the base, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel it, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm free. I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, yeah, wine up to the beat. That me low, tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show.
What we thinking? Right? Right? Do you see her? Do you see her in all her juicy glory? So I've let this unit dry for maybe 2 hours, give or take a couple of minutes or two. And I think the unit came out so freaking moisturized. Now, there are just a couple of things to note with using this set of products. I did notice that the hairline, as far as me doing the little swoopity swoops right up here, they did tend to kind of move a little bit. But guess what? This is slick back, baby. This is set. This is seriously set. It's not like drying, but it does have that gel effect. So I'm actually impressed by that. It is giving me more of like, you know, kind of like an edge control effect with that gel. And the hair itself in the back looks so dang good. This is moisturized, baby. Ooh, let your soul glow, baby.
They tell you, say I beat nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, all of me. Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me, all of me. On moto, Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want her more. That me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. That me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky, bad man, punch instrumental, even on one time. It's okay. Bad man, see what they do. Pull up. Bad man, finna gone away.
And bam, how about that remix? So, first and foremost, I did add, you know, just some layers to this unit. I really added them into the bang area, or created a bang, and then I did shape or round out the ends. I did snip the bottom, and I do know that there are just a couple of stragglers, stubborn, don't want to behave, and keep talking back. I really just wanted to, you know, kind of give it more of a style. And let me tell you, with this type of color unit, y'all know how them curls can go, okay? They can either go really right or really left. And sometimes, more times than not, especially when the hair poofs up, the curls can get frizzy and they can look really dry and just not healthy. So I'm very surprised that this is like 3-day-old hair. I don't sleep in my wigs. I do take them off, but I can't tell you, it's been tossed around a little bit. So, you know, even with me having to move it from place to place to place, the curls is still held up and it looks really, really good. This I used on my edges, you know, just kind of slickety slack them in place, baby. And it definitely did the job. Now, the cap fit on this unit is very comfortable. However, it's not, it's big head friendly-ish, okay? We're in the ballpark. We're not all the way there, okay? So I did have to use some of my edges. This is the wig, this is my hair, and they're both slickly slacked with that gel, baby. No cakiness, no cast off, dries clear. Even if you were to rub it, still stays in place, baby. Now, usually by this point, I'm getting some type of flakes, and baby, look at that. Hello. This is your vacation bay, okay? This isn't really like a styling type of item, if you will. It's more just like, you know, a refresher. So bring it out, girl. Spray them curls and let your soul glow. So yeah, this is definitely my must-have. If you don't get anything else out of this collection, I would definitely say pick up the hydrating mist for refreshing your curls. So big thank you to HerGivenHair for sending out this beautiful unit. I think the curls came out nice. The cap fits nice. The parting space looks damn good. Okay, baby. And we are giving scalp-ish, baby. Okay? Because lace is lace. Lace is lace. And it will always be lace. It will never be skin. But we can get close to scalp. Yeah, so big thank you to them. I think it looks really good. I'm sold, y'all. Because, baby, these curls is popping. Damn. Big thank you to all of you for tuning in to this review. Definitely appreciate it. Check out the description box down below for all details to purchase the Pattern collection or this unit by HerGivenHair. Do hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell, get all post notifications. Most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below. Y'all know what to do. Just do it, boo. Take care of yourself, please. Keep yourself first. And as always, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.